Trim router, an essential workshop tool, yet challenged by instability and the complexity of unlocking its full potential. Allow me to introduce you to the world's first 10-in-1 trim router jig, compatible with over 15 top routers, built to last with aviation-grade aluminum, and featuring patent-pending innovation. This jig is designed with a precision-engraved ruler, providing spot-on precision for every cut. Beginning with our core features: stability that doesn't quit, circle cuts so easy you'll wonder why it was ever hard, and an edge guide that hits the mark every time. Then there's the dust extraction, because who likes cleaning up? And don't get me started on the router table function. It's a game changer, turning your router into the powerhouse you always knew it could be. Secondary features: we've got those too. A rail guide adapter that fits just right, flush trimming that's actually flush, bushing that's a breeze, mortises and rabbets precise enough to brag about, and built-in storage so you can keep all those small bits and pieces right where you need them. And for the final touch, customization that makes it truly yours. It's more than a tool, it's your next workshop essential. Let's make woodworking better together.